So, Momo, what is your favourite healthy thing you like eating every day?
Sultanas!
Sultanas? You love sultanas. Do you know what? He actually loves putting sultanas on his breakfast every morning. So we've figured out a way to make a healthy snack for school lunchboxes that is allowed, because there's a lot of things you can't take to school these days. But I thought we'd share a lunchbox idea with you, but also a healthy snack at home. And it's very easy to make, and you've got your whole grain. So we've got, it looks a bit green, but this is a, it's got spinach in it. And what we're gonna use is cream cheese, but not real cream cheese. This is just a vegan cream cheese, and it's actually so tasty. And we're gonna put some, do you wanna put some on there? You don't have to lift it up. So get some cream cheese, yeah, and can you spread it all around? Spread it all around. So this cream cheese is quite healthy with the ingredients I saw on the back. You can get all different brands. Oh wow, that looks awesome. And the reason why we like this is because we've got the cream cheese, but we're also going to put some sultanas on top, and then we're gonna cut it into thin roll slices. Hey, put some sultanas on top. Wow, yum. It tastes like it's got a bit of lemon in it, this cheese. Oh, sultanas. Okay.
Sultana.
Yum, you can put lots of those in there, eh? Okay, we're done. We're gonna roll it now.
Roll it.
Roll it, roll it. No, this way, just one way. We're gonna roll it one way. Whoa. And then we're gonna cut it. So we'll cut that side. No, this one, we use this knife, okay? Because this is a serrated knife.
Serrated, what's serrated mean?
Serrated, see how it's got serrated sides? So then you can cut through it. So you can put that in your lunchbox.
Good.
Or you could just have it as a snack. Enjoy this recipe. Let us know what you think. Follow us on Facebook, and you can comment in the comments below if you've made it and if your kids like it, or what different you've done to, because you can mix some of the recipes up and you can change them. So let us know, because I know a lot of other mothers would appreciate some extra ideas. There you have it. Your little rolls. You want to try one? Hey, try it. Eat it and tell me what you think. Is that tasty? Yes, it's a thumbs up. We'll see you guys next time. Say bye.
Bye.